Good afternoon, my name is Aran, and this is my demo video of my TicTacToe program. So it's a really simple terminal program that it's TicTacToe game and takes turn between X and O on the game. So I'm gonna run here and I'm gonna run test case showing the game running and how the file is saved and everything. So it starts with a blank board, and the players will play according to the position. So we have each position as a numbers here. So let's say the X choose position 1, so he got X here, and then O gets position 2, and then X get position 5. Okay, so the program also, if Q is entered, the game is saved in a JSON file and it exits. So let's say they want to stop the game for now. So if we put it here, the game stops, and the JSON file is created that saves the game. So let me clean the screen and run again. And if I run again, it picks up where it was left off. So it was O's turn. And then I choose 3, and let's make X win now. So the program will also keep the track of the positions and if someone won. In this case, X got all this diagonal here. So it prints the game was won by X, and then it ends the program. Also, if the program ends because someone won or it was a tie, it resets the board. So let's say the last game ended because X won, and if I run the game again, now I have a clean board again to start a new game. And that's my video. Thank you. Have a good day.